freeze were in effect from Monday evening through Tuesday morning. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a freeze watch, which is in effect from Monday evening through Tuesday morning. Temperature, 28 to 32 degrees. Impacts, subfreezing temperatures will threaten tender vegetation across the region. Wet spots on roadways will quickly freeze, especially on bridges and overpasses, creating very slick conditions. A freeze watch means subfreezing temperatures are possible. These conditions could kill crops and other sensitive vegetation. Small craft.